Hi boys and girls, we're going to complete our egg observations today. So I have moved this over. So today we're on day 7. We put the egg in the vinegar last week, and so it's still in there. I kept hoping that it would do a little bit more, and that maybe I was wanting to know if it would go all the way see-through so we could see the yolk and stuff in there, but you can see that hasn't happened. As I'm looking, I see there's still, remember we started out as a brown egg, and I've got another brown egg here so we can remember what it looked like before we put it in. So this is one that's similar to it. So I can still see there's some of the brown color from the egg that's sticking. It was foamy and floaty before. Now I observed that it's sunk down to the bottom. I don't see any bubbles anywhere on that egg anymore. I'm going to take it out and see what it feels like. And ooh, it still feels very soft, very, very smooth, still feels real rubbery. As I move it, I can see some stuff floating in there. I see, like, I don't know if it's air bubbles here. I don't think you could probably see it on the video. I do see something floating in there, which I'm guessing might be the yolk and the egg white. I do know from when I hard boil an egg that this white slippery part that I'm feeling is actually the membrane that protects the inner part of the egg for when it is growing into a baby chick. This one wasn't fertilized though, so it won't do that. So there's no more shell left, and well, I hope it doesn't pop, but it's squishy. I better hold it over here because I definitely don't want it. It's definitely squishy. If you did yours at home, you can carefully check that out. So I'm going to put that back in there for now. I'll get a cloth for my hands. Okay, and then I'm going to slide this out of the way, and I'll move the camera back up. Okay, so on my notebook, I'm going to put day 7, which I've already done. I will put today's date, which is April, so the 4th month, the 6th day, 2020. I'm going to do another illustration box, and I'm going to put what I see. So I see the egg is white, and it felt squishy to me, and squishy. Okay, might write a little more about seeing the brown on there, and then I will do my last illustration so we can keep track of it, and then that'll be it for this egg experiment. So hopefully you were able to do it at home. You'll have to ask your mom, dad, or whoever's working with you what you're going to do with it. Maybe you're going to go over to the sink and see how hard you could squish it until it pops, or whatever they tell you is okay to do. Okay, so that's it for this science activity. I'm going to see if we can find another one that's fun for us to do at home.